Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add product reviews on a Shopify product page. So let's get started. So here we are in our Shopify store. We are already logged in. So from here, what you need to do is to install an app so that we can import or add reviews onto our Shopify product page. So from here, we're going to click on Reviews Importer right here on the search bar. And from here, click on Search for Reviews Importer in Shopify App Store. And from here, we will be seeing a bunch of apps that would let us import reviews into our product page. So as you can see right here in Trust2, as you can see, it would let you import from AliExpress and Shopee. And then you can also go for other apps. For example, if you would want Amazon, you can go for Ali Reviews right here. As you can see, it says that you can import reviews from AliExpress and Amazon. So it would depend on the app, on which platform you would be able to import reviews in. So in my case, I'll just use Judge.me app right here. So this is what I'll be using. I'll be importing product reviews from AliExpress. So I'm gonna click here on this app, Judge.me AliExpress reviews, and I'm gonna install this into my store. So once you have installed that, you will now be prompted here into the product or the ad dashboard right here. So this is the app I'm using because this is just for free. And remember that you can always use other apps if you don't like this app right here. So this is just a free app, so don't expect that there will be a lot of features. So if you'd want a lot of features, then you must go for the paid apps right here. So once you're here in the app, all you have to do is basically select the product right here that you would want to add product reviews in. So this process is basically the same in every reviews or product reviews app right here. So choose the product that you'd want to add products in and click on the import button right there on that product. Click, like for example here. And all I have to do basically is to add a AliExpress product link or Amazon product link if you have other apps. So in my case, I'll just go for AliExpress. And from here, I'm just gonna find this similar product right here so that I could get reviews on that right there. Click on paste. And what you want to do here is to find the product that looks exactly the same that your product so that the reviews would also align to your product and it would not look something like you have just copied from other store. So that would be the trick to that, which is actually it's just common sense. But yeah, that is what you want to do. But in this example, we'll just select a random one so that we can go on faster. And from here, I'm just selecting this right here. And then you can see the reviews at the bottom. As you can see right here. So let's see the reviews. And here it is right here. So check the reviews if you'd like that. Once you're sure of the reviews, you want to copy the link right here. Copy that and then just paste it right here. And then after that, once you have pasted the URL, you can also go for the number of reviews you want to import, or you could also show the advanced setting. In here, you would be able to see the country filters. On which country or region would you like to get your reviews specifically? You can check it out right here. And then you have the minimum review word count. So if you'd like to set that, you can set it right here. And if you want your reviews to have pictures, then you can click on this box. And then you can also translate your reviews here. And then you can also choose the option to receive email when the import is completed. This is handy when you have a lot of number of reviews to import. And then you can also save this setting as a default when you are importing on the next time. So once you're happy with your settings, click on import reviews. And then after that, it will now import in progress, as you can see right here. And then once it's done importing, you should be seeing it right here in the imported reviews. As you can see here, I would be seeing a lot right here. So these are the reviews that I have already imported into my product. So once you are done with this one, you can now see it here in your store. So when you go into your online store, and then from here, we're gonna click on customize. And now let's go into the product. So catalog right here. And this is the product right here. So I'm going to click on that. So now when I scroll down into this product, I should be seeing the reviews right here. So that is basically on how you can add product reviews. But what if you want to change the design so that it would align to the design of your store? So what you can do, if you're using the Judge Me AliExpress reviews or the Judge Me app, then you need the other app, which is this one right here, to customize the widget in your store. So click on open once you have installed it. And then from here, we can customize the design by clicking here on the widgets right here. So click widgets, and then from here, click on customize on the review widget. And from here, we can change the color. And right here, so let's just change the color so that it would align to our store. And then the other options right here is only available if you get their premium subscription on the app, so you would need to pay for them for the additional features here so that you can customize your reviews better and it would look better on your website. But since this is just a tutorial, I'm just keeping it simple. Let's just change the color and click on save. The point is, I have shown you on how you can customize design, and then from here I'm just gonna refresh my page, and I should see it changed already in color. So here it is. So now let's scroll down, and then as you can see, it is now in color blue. So yeah, this is basically how you can add product reviews on Shopify product page. Thank you for watching.